Okay, so check it out. We're going to get straight to the point. Stock market vocab, words that you need to know for beginners. Okay, so here's what happened. Somebody asked me, so where do you start? So I had to flashback to when I first started. I didn't know nothing. When you don't know nothing, you know, people bounce words around. You have no idea what they're talking about. You're trying to learn something. So this will help some of you cut through the chase. Market vocab words that you need to know for beginners. No particular order. They're not based on importance. It's just 10 because you need to know way more than that, but these will help you. So number one, ticker symbol. Everybody say, how do you get a stock? You're not buying a stock or purchasing no stock if you don't know the ticker symbol. So what the ticker symbol is an abbreviation of how to look up the stock in the stock market. For example, Apple. Apple's ticker symbol is AAPL. So in order to look up Apple to purchase it in the stock market, you need to type in that symbol, AAPL, and then you'll see Apple pop up. Google any company you want to know and you'll get the ticker symbol. That's your homework. Number two, bullish. You hear that word thrown around when people talk about stocks. Bullish, that means they think the price is going up. They think the stock is moving up. The market may be moving up. If you're bullish on something, you got hopes of it going up. Okay, opposite of that is bearish. Bearish means going down. You believe it's going down. Dry powder, that just means money on the side. You got cash on the side. It's a whole different language, right? Another word, fractional shares. All that means is you can buy a piece of the stock instead of the whole stock. For example, if a stock costs $100 and all you have is $25, you can purchase a fractional share. You can purchase $25 of that share until you can, purchase enough to get a full share. You can start with fractional shares. That's important to know. Some people didn't know that. Well, as little as $5. That's a different video. Okay, dividends. That's what stocks pay you if the stock pays dividends. That's what businesses pay stockholders for holding the stock. A portion of the company's profit. Dividends. That's what dividends is. A dip. If you hear the market is taking a dip, it usually means 5%. You know, the price went down 5%. Pullback, price went down 10%. Recession, now this get tricky because a couple of years ago, 20% and more used to be a recession, but they be changing the rules as we go. I won't get into that. But yeah, 20% is down as a recession. Well, anyway, I hope this was helpful, beneficial for some. I know when I started, I just needed somewhere to start. I turned on the news and they was throwing all these words around. I had no idea what they meant, so that's why these words are important. We need to know them as well as a lot more other ones on your journey as you become an investor, right? So on that note, if you like this content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Other than that, peace, just be love.